With the function trace, you can create new pieces out of construction patterns. Use the function trace and main contour. Collect the elements for the new pattern with the right mouse button, and the system trims and connects the elements automatically. Make sure to collect also the small elements and collect the last element with the left mouse button to confirm your selection. The new piece is attached to your cursor now, and you can place it somewhere in the working area. Use the function internal elements directly after the main contour to collect all the other internal lines, like construction lines, text positions or stripe lines, with the left mouse button. As you can see, the construction lines don't end with the main contour. You can use the function trim line and trim the lines to the main contour. It is also possible to define the piece name or an individual color right before you start the tracing process. Use the function trace main contour again. Press the space bar to type in the new piece name. Confirm with OK. Now I will go on like I did before. I collect the elements with the right mouse button and the last one with the left. And don't forget to trace the internal elements. You can use the function trim line and trim the lines to the main contour.